Guys, this is Black Hub Terlimata, your YouTube channel. Today we are featuring a tuna jaw straight from Japan, split into half so it can fit into my griller, my improvised griller. So we'll try to make some marinade. We'll put some ponzu marinade and basting sauce. So consist ito ng light sauce, Worcestershire sauce, garlic, pepper, and brown sugar for added sweetness at sweaty oil. Magmeron tayong average sweetness kasi hindi naman pwedeng sobrang tamis. Ang buhay hindi pwedeng sobrang tamis. May lungkot, may ligaya, may lumbay. So hindi pwedeng sobrang tamis, wala naman kasing forever. Pero ang alam ko, masarap tong panga. Tuna panga ang tawag nila dito. This weighs around, both of this piece weighs around 1 kilo and above. So tingnan nyo muna yung likod, baka sabihin nyo laman ng tao to, tadyang ng lolo't lola nyo. No, hindi. So this one is the panga. So hindi na natin kailangan baliktarin yan. Pero kung gusto nyo ng sabihin natin grill marks para more appealing to your senses and to your eyes, pwede natin baliktarin yan mamaya. So ayan siya. Wala masunog yan, hindi nyo naman kakainin yung face nya. Ito yung laman. Laman nito is, sabihin natin sa Tagalog, maligat at malinamnam. So para siyang meat ng beef, parang ganun eh. Ganun yung texture ng meat niya. Milky yung dating. So if you want to order, PM me or contact Icing Trail Pastries Creation for the frozen tuna. Just add shipping for Lalamove, same day delivery. So yun lang. 0925-524-2429. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Pwedeng ulam, pwedeng pulutan. Great viand for your dinner, yung lunch time nyo. Yan. Pwede nyo paghati-hatian yan. So ilang dangkal ba yan? So almost isang dangkal. Oh. Okay? This is around 10 inches. So ito yung tongs ko. 10 inches. So mga 10 inches to 11 inches sa laki niya. Siguro it can serve 3 persons uulamin. Okay? At masarap yan. Tunay na tuna. Okay? Hindi yan yellowfin Big eye ang tawag dyan. Big eye tuna from Japan. O, yung mga mahilig sa JDM dyan, mga racing. This will stop you from racing. See you again till my next videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Lahat na nang makikita nyong video nyan dyan. 6 videos lang wala. Okay? Guys, this is Black Hub.